Good morning, children. Welcome back to the second part of our lesson. So today we are going to know few more topics. So let us start. So in the previous class we already discussed about the taskbar and start button. So today we are going to know about middle section, notification area and all. So this middle section is used to open all the applications or programs that are seen on the small buttons of the taskbar. Okay, children, we already discussed now in the taskbar we'll be having several type menus or options like Google Chrome, MS Office and all. So, and that particular section is also called as quick launch toolbar, right? So using that particular quick launch toolbar, we can open any application within a single click. That means there is no need of searching in the start button for all the applications. Okay, children. Middle section is used to click or open the menus or applications on the quick launch toolbar with a single click. Okay. Next, notification area. So we already discussed that notification area will be at the right side of the taskbar. Okay, which will be having a clock and the number of icons that are running the presently on the computer system. Okay, and it will all be also be showing for us the Wi-Fi connection, volume, battery and all. Okay. So this show desktop button is present on the extreme right side of the taskbar. Okay, children. Next. So now let us know what is a file. So basically whatever work we are doing on a computer system, okay, it will be stored in the hard drive. Okay. So that particular work is considered as a file. Okay, children. A file means what? It may be a Word document, presentation, or a painting, or any movie, or any video that is recorded, or any sound, song that is downloaded on a computer system. These all are considered as a file. Okay, children. So, basically, this file will be having two important features. What is the first one? Any file should have a name, right? Whatever file it may be, it should have a name. And it should also have a place to store, right? That means to live. First point is it should have a name. Second point means it should have a place to live, like a home address. For example, if a file is there, its address is considered as a folder. Okay? For example, we the humans are only there. We should have a name, right? And we should also have a house to live. That is what called as home address. Okay, children? Next. Now, let us see some extensions to save the files. First one, .doc. That means if this particular extension is used to save a Word document. Second one is .odt. That means it is used to save a write document. Next one is .txt. That means it is used to save a file in Notepad. Okay, children. Next one. What is an extension first of all? Okay. Extension means part of a file name given after dot is called its extension. Okay. That means any name with a dot is called as extension. See, for example, I have given myfile.txt. That means it is called as the extension. This particular .txt is considered as the extension. Okay, children? Any file name with a dot. Okay? Next. What is a folder? For example, take there are several files, okay, that are stored at a single place is considered as a folder. Okay, it is compared as a container. Let us compare it to be a container or a plastic folder. That means there will be several papers in a container, right? In a folder, right? Okay. Next. So like a file, folder also should have a name. Okay. But folder is not a file. It can contain several files. Okay. For example, take one box. If you have seen, a particular box will be having several boxes inside it with several sizes. Right. That whole box can be considered as a folder. And the small boxes which are present inside that particular box is considered as the files. Okay, children. Next, Windows Explorer. So let us see what is an Windows Explorer. So basically it is an application that is used to get the detailed information about files, folders and drives. Okay, what is a Windows Explorer? It is an application which gives the detailed information about the files, folders and drives that are present in a computer system. Okay, so what does a particular application does? It basically allows us to manage the files and folders that are present in a computer system. Management means what? We can view, we can create, even that we can delete them, we can copy, we can move, we can rename. Rename means what? Changing the name of the file. Or else we can even search the files and folders also. Okay, children. So I hope you all understood today's class. If you are having any queries, you can contact me at any time. Thank you, children.